Moses imputed sin as what? Conduct. Under Moses was when sin became stealing, lying, cheating, fornication, adultery. Because it is the law that imputed. Before Adam, those things were there, but they were not before Moses, they were not a sin. Because they were not imputed. So nobody had record. And nobody was punished. So it is the law of Moses that imputes sin as conduct. It is under the law we now know that stealing is a sin. It's because of the law we now know that fornication is a sin. It's under the law we now know that covetousness is a sin. It's under the law that we now know that envy is a sin. It's under the law of Moses that we now know that an evil eye is a sin. Is that true? Before Moses, it was there, but nobody was held accountable. So it is the arrival of Moses that defined conduct or sin in conduct. Are we teaching here? So when we say lying is a sin, what yardstick are we using to measure it? The law of Moses. But remember, Adam did not lie. Adam did not steal. Adam did not commit fornication. And Adam did not envy anybody. So by the law of Moses, Adam is blameless. You're not hearing what I'm saying. By the law of Moses, Adam has no problem. So sin in Adam is not conduct. Sin in Adam is not conduct. It is under the law that sin is conduct, which categorizes sin in two dimensions now. There is sin in Adam and there is sin under the law. But don't forget, there are those who have not sinned after the pattern of Adam. So that will mean that even though there is sin in Adam, it didn't affect everybody. But under the law, everybody is a sinner. Kabayada. But in Adam's pattern, are you here? In Adam's pattern, there are those that have not sinned. But under the law, everybody has sinned. Are you with me here? If you're with me, touch your neighbor, say, are you here? Because if you catch this, it will solve a lot of issues for us. Now, so that's how it was imputed under the law as conduct. So now, look at this. There was a pattern. The word pattern is the Greek word tupos. Tupos. That word tupos means example. There was an example. Let me give you some scriptures for the application of the word pattern or tupos or example. Romans 6:17, example. 1 Corinthians 10:6, example. 1 Corinthians 10:11, example. Philippians 3:17, example. 1 Thessalonians 1:7, example. 2 Thessalonians 3:9, example. 1 Timothy 4:12, example. Titus 2:7, example. Hebrews 8:5, example. 1 Peter 5:3, example. Let me go over the list again. Romans 6:17, 1 Corinthians 10:6, 1 Corinthians 10:11, Philippians 3:17, 1 Thessalonians 1:7, 2 Thessalonians 3:9, 1 Timothy 4:12, Titus 2:7, Hebrews 8:5, First Peter 5:3.